Hello, HSE professionals. Greetings of the day. Welcome to HSE Insider. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about material handling safety. Whether you are in a warehouse, factory, or in a construction site, safe handling of materials is key to preventing incidents and injuries. So did you know that material handling incidents are one of the leading causes of workplace injuries? But don't worry, in this video we will cover the best practices, tips and safety protocols that can make a big difference. What are the common risks in material handling? So material handling can involve a wide range of tasks: lifting boxes, using forklifts, stacking materials or operating cranes. But with these tasks comes with risk. The most common risks include in lifting injuries like back strains, muscle tears, slip and falls because of improperly stacked materials or wet floors, crush injury resulting by purely secured loads or falling objects, and poor clipped incidents, collisions, or improper use of equipment. Proper lifting techniques. So, one of the most common activities in material handling is lifting. Improper lifting is a major cause of injuries, especially to the back. So, what are the safety tips for proper lifting techniques? So, the first one is stand close to the object. So, keep the object as close to your body as possible to reduce strain. Bend your knees, not your back. So, squat down and keeping your back straight. Then, third important tip is use your legs to lift. Lift with your legs, not your back. So your legs are much stronger than your back muscles. So keep the load balanced. It is one of the important and avoid twisting your body. Move your feet to turn, not your back. Using material handling equipment safely. So in many industries, material handling equipment is essential. Whether you are using forklifts, pallet jacks, or cranes, it is crucial to follow safety guidelines. So for the forklifts, the simple tips are always check the equipment before use, follow speed limits and traffic rules within the workplace, and make sure the load is stable and the forks are lowered when not in use. Pallet jack and hand track use. Ensure the load is eventually distributed and never overload the equipment. For cranes and hoists, inspect cables and rigging before use and never exceed the safe workload. Then the important factor in material handling, that is the ergonomics. So ergonomics plays a huge role in reducing injury risk. So how we can improve the ergonomics in your workplace? So adjustable equipment. Use adjustable height platform and cards to reduce bending and reaching. So ergonomic tools also like using lifting aids like hoist, slings or lifting strap to make heavy loads easier to manage. So instead of the manual handling, you use the mechanical handling. Workstation design. Ensure that workstations are designed to minimize awaked posters or excessive reaching that resulting in ergonomic injury. Then the next topic is in material handling, the safe stacking and storing. Stack materials properly to prevent incidents. So, what are the safety steps to be followed for the safe stacking and storing? Stable stacking. Make sure items are stacked eventually and securely. Avoid overloading. So don't stack materials too high, since overload stacks are more likely to tip over. So use pallets to swing items for better organization and support. Labeling and visibility. So it is very important to clearly label heavy or hazardous item to avoid confusion, and that may lead to any incident. Then personal protective equipment for material handling. So wearing the right personal protective equipment PPE is a fundamental part of material handling safety. So like gloves. So use gloves to protect your hands from the sharp edges and splinters. Steel toe boots, safety shoes. Wear steel toe boots to prevent foot injuries from falling objects, and helmets. Wear hard hats in areas where there is a risk of falling materials and striking with objects. Emergency procedures. Even with the best safety measures in place, incidents still happen. So that's why it is important to have clear emergency procedures. Like first aid training. Ensure the workers involved in the material handling activities are trained in basic first aid. And the second important point is emergency contact information. So make sure emergency contacts are posted in prominent locations and people are aware in case of emergency whom to contact. And evacuation routes. So the evacuation routes to be clearly marked, and all employees should know the route in case of emergency how to evacuate. The training related to the emergency procedures should be given to all the employees involved in this material handling activity. So that's all from this video. So whether it is lifting equipment using properly or using equipment safely and stacking materials in a secured way. So these simple practices can make a huge difference in preventing material handling injuries. So always remember safety first. So thanks HSE professionals. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more safety tips. And let us know in the comments what is one material handling safety tip you swear by. So once again, thanks for watching and stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.